Hello everyone, this is Kay of Kayreneesgarden and we are on our way to Maust Family Farms. I am so excited, you guys. Don't know what to expect, but I want to go see what they have to offer. I know they have tons of chickens, and so I want to see what they have. I've been contemplating getting at least 2 more chickens. And so we're going to see what they have, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. It's a little bit of a ways from me, but it's a little road trip, so we're up for it. You can see it's gloomy out here. It was raining a little bit earlier, so hopefully the rain will calm down until we are done. So we are here, you guys, getting ready to go check out the animals. What a cutie.
That is a goat. This is definitely a ram. Like, honestly, look at it.
Oh.
See, told you it's a ram. It's a
What
freaking
a
ram.
cutie. That one is super cute.
Dude, look. It looks like it has
We have sheep over here. Hi. Oh, look at this hairy little bear here. Hi, bear. Hi. Oh my goodness. Horses. Is that a llama?
Yes.
So cute. Hi, beautiful. Hi, you want to be pet? Hi. Hi, cutie. What's your name? Hi, how are you? Hi there. Hi. Hi. They are friendly.
Run. Run, little boy.
They have a ton of chickens. They have a little farmer's market here. Got all kinds of goodies in here. As you guys can see, I was super excited about all the animals. They are so friendly. The customer service here is amazing. They have fresh eggs. They have tons of chickens, ones that are laying, ones that are not. And so, yeah, definitely come back. But anyway, I appreciate you guys all being here. I'll see you next time. Bye.